Hi, I'm from the Queensland Government, and in the next video in our series we're going to look at formatting text and hyperlinks in PowerPoint 2010. There are two ways you can insert text in PowerPoint. The first is to simply click your mouse inside a suitable text box and enter some text. Alternatively, you can copy and paste text from another source. To do so, find the text you'd like. In this case, we'll copy this title. Highlight that text. You can copy using a right-click and copy, or you can copy using the Control and C keys. If we go back to PowerPoint, we can right-click our mouse or place our cursor in that text box and either paste using the right-click menu, or alternatively, Microsoft have put a paste button in the ribbon which you can use. And finally, you can use the Control and V keys to paste that copied text from the clipboard. To format text in PowerPoint, you first need to select the text by clicking and dragging your mouse across the text. You can format the text a number of ways. Microsoft have provided a font section on the Home tab in the ribbon, and this contains a whole lot of text features that you can edit, which we'll do in a moment. You can also access those features by right-clicking on that highlighted text, and you'll see you get that font menu on screen as well. So first we'll edit the font type and size. I'll do everything from the ribbon just to be consistent. To format the font type, you can click on the drop-down menu provided, and Microsoft have a large number of fonts in there you can choose from. To format the font size, there's a numerical drop-down, and that allows you to change the font size. And the good thing is you can see those changes on screen. You can also format the typical bold, italic, and underline by clicking the relevant buttons. We can make that word italic, and we can underline PowerPoint. To change the font color, you can select the relevant piece of text and use the font color drop-down. You can select from a range of colors. If you're after more colors, click the More Colors option and you get a palette you can select from, or you can select a custom color if you know the RGB code. To change the position of your text, usually you'll need to move the text box. You can click on the border of a text box so the border goes a solid blue color, and you'll also see some arrows pop up on screen. These allow you to adjust the location of that text box. You can also change the orientation of text within that box, or the formatting. Currently it's formatted to center. You can format it to the right hand side, left hand side, or you can justify that text. I'll go to the right. Finally, if the information you have is in a list format, such as the information presented here, you can insert that information as a list. So if we copy that in and paste it to our text, you'll see that when I highlight that text, it's all selected as a dot point or a bullet point. You can adjust that to a numeric list, or you can remove all of those bullet points altogether. So I'll keep a numeric list in this case, and I'll remove the top bullet point, and that will tidy that piece of text up. To insert a hyperlink, you first need to go to the page you wish to hyperlink to and copy the URL. We'll go back to our PowerPoint, and in there we're going to insert some text. So once we have the URL selected and our text entered, we need to select the text that we wish to act as the actual link. Once that text has been selected, you can click on the Insert menu and click on Hyperlink. This will allow you to link to either a document contained on your computer or a web page that you may have. We'll paste the URL that we copied earlier, we'll hit OK, and that will then create a hyperlink for us. To test if that hyperlink works, we can enter the presentation mode and click on that text to see if it takes us to the relevant web page. We hope you found this video useful and look out for more in our PowerPoint series.